Okay, do you remember that huge sinkhole that opened up inside the National Corvette Museum in Kentucky? Well, all those cars that dropped and were swallowed up won't be lost. It turns out 8 cars in all went down when the sinkhole opened up last month, and museum officials have brought in the heavy equipment, as you can see here, to start removing the vehicles. Once all the cars are out, they'll repair the hole and then work on restoring the cars. And I heard that one of the cars they pulled out started up right away.
I think so. The first one.
Sturdy.
Yeah.
So they're well made.
Yeah. Good deal.
You used to own a Corvette, didn't you?
I was a Corvette fiend.
Yes.
I had
Did you?
3.
3, really?
I always wanted one.
Bam, bam, bam.
Is one, maybe one's in the museum now?
I doubt it.
Don't think so? No.
I rode them pretty hard.
Okay, all right.
Drove them pretty hard.
Yeah, okay. Up next on the Texas Daily, it is Tech Tuesday. We've got Lisa Duty here, and we're going to talk to her about following the candidates and the entire election on social media using that little thing called a hashtag, okay? So we'll have Social Media 101 coming up next, Steve.